Don't do it.
Bro! Oh God. I died. He started moving. Bro, he started moving. He really started moving. SCP. SCP started moving.
Where are you guys?
He started moving and we all died. Wait, what did you really do? Wait, is he still there? Oh no! Help me! Help me! Oh no, God! He's really fast. He's fast. He's actually fast. Hold on.
So fast.
Hold on. I need to do something. I need to get long arms. That's what I need to do. That's not feeding him. Yeah.
Bring him to me.
Bro, he's patiently waiting for you to stop. Oh, both of y'all are so slow.
You don't have to boost now. Bring him over here.
Where is he going?
Hey, Mac change.
You sure?
My knee hurts. Oh. He's down there.
Alright, run.
Guys, I think he's down there.
Skibbity is that?
Wake up!
Guys, he's glitched again. Guys, he's glitched again. Guys, he's glitched.
He's glitched?
Yeah, SCP-096 is glitched. Guys, where are y'all? Y'all said y'all are in mines? Guys, where are y'all? Where are y'all, guys?
You're trying to nerf me.